Have you made food?
Yes, I have made food. No, I have not made food.
She done worked.
Yes, she done work. No, she has not done work.
Have you taken your medicine?
Yes, I have taken any medicine. No, I have not taken any medicine.
Has she spoken English?
Yes, she has spoken. Have you spoken in English? No, she has not spoken English.
Have you made food?
Yes, I have made food. No, I have not made food.
Has she done work? Has she done work?
Yes, she has done work. No, she has not done work.
Have you taken a tea?
Yes, yes, I have taken tea. No, I have not taken tea.
Have you speak Hindi?
Yes, I have spoken English. No, I have not spoken English.
Has she learned English?
Yes, she has learned English. No, no, she has not learned
Have
English.
you go to market? Gone to market.
Yes, I have gone to market. No, I have not gone to market.
Has she made food?
Yes, she has made food. No, she has not made food.
Have you done your work?
Yes, I have done my work. No,
Have you water? Have you taken water?
yes, I have taken water. No, I have not taken water.
Have you tea and coffee?
Have you taken tea or coffee?
Yes, I have taken tea or coffee. No, I have not taken tea or coffee.
Have they made food?
Yes, yes, they have made food. No, they have not made food.
Have you watching TV? Have you watching TV?
Yes, I have watching TV. No, I have not watching TV.
Have you gone to everything academy?
Yes, I have gone to Every Academy. No, I have not gone to Every Academy.
Have you deserted the name of your parents?
Yes, I have deserted the name of parents. No, I have not deserted the name of parents.
Has she gone to school?
Yes, she has gone to school. No, she has not gone to school.
Does she want to become president of India?
Yes, I have become president.
Ha- has she want to become president of India?
Yes, I have become want to president.
Have you want to become the president of India?
Yes, I
Have you wanted to become the president of India?
yes, I have wanted to become the president India. No, I have not wanted to become the president India.
Have you played chess?
Yes, I have played chess. No, I have not played chess.
So Shivam is going to ask. Have you learned English by Dream Academy?
Yes, I have learned English by Dream Academy. No, I have not learned English by Dream Academy.
Have you gone to school?
Yes,
Have you gone to school?
yes, I have gone to school. No, I have not gone to school.
Correct.
Have you played cricket?
Yes, he has played cricket. No, he has not played cricket.
Have you made notes?
Yes, I am making notes. No, no, I have not made notes.
Have you gone speak English? Have you
Gone speak English?
have you spoken English?
Yes, I have spoken English. No, I have not spoken English.
Have you gone to school?
Yes, I have gone to school. No, I have not gone to school.
Have you gone to Every Dream Academy?
Yes, I have gone every dream academy. No, I have not gone to school.
Have you gone to market?
Yes, I have gone to market. No, I have not gone to market.
He has reached to the railway station.
Yes, he has reached to the railway station. No, he has not reached to the railway station.
How are you play? How you play? How you play?
Yes, I have played. No, I have not played.
Have you make food?
Yes, I have made food. No, I have not made food.
Have you gone house?
Yes, I have gone house. No, I have not gone.
Have you played football?
Yes, I have played football. No, I have not played football.
She done worked.
Yes, she done work. No, she has not done work.
Have you go to school today?
Yes, I have go to school today. No, I have not go to school today.
Have you done work?
Yes, I have done work. No, I have not done.
Has you want to work hard?
Yes, I have want to work hard. No, I have not want to work hard.
Has she gone to the market?
Yes, she has gone to the market. No, she has not gone to the market.
Yes, I have gone to temple. No, no, no. I have not gone to temple.
Has he played cricket?
Yes, 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 he has played cricket. No, he has not played cricket.
Has you played? Have you played?
Yes, I have played. No, I have not played.
I have to play.
Yes,
Have you played?
yes, I have played. No, I have not played.
Has she spoken English?
Yes, she has spoken English. No, she has not spoken
Have
English.
you go to market? Have you gone to market?
Yes, I have gone to market. No, I have not gone to market.
Have you met friends?
Yes, I have made friend. No, I have not made friend.
Has she wept?
Yes, she has wept. No, she has not wept.
Have you classing?
Yes, I have classing. No, I have not classing.
Have you studied?
Yes, I have study. No, I have not studied.
Have they gone college?
Yes, I have gone to college. No, I have not gone to college.
Have they gone every gym academy?
Yes, I have. I have came to every dream academy. No, I have not came to every dream academy.
Have you gone to market?
Yes, I have gone to market. No, I have not gone to market.
Have you saved and more?
Yes, I have swept Denmark. No, I have not swept Denmark.
He made food?
Yes, he has made food. No, he has not made food.
Have you want to go to playground?
Yes, I have wanted to go to playground. No, I have not wanted to go to playground.
Have they shouted like DJ?
Have
Have they shouted like DJ?
yes, I have shouted like DJ. No, I have not shouted like DJ.